Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain the topic is special properties of carbon atom or reason for large number of organic compounds. The word derived from Latin word that is carbo, the word carbon derived from Latin word that is carbo means coal. It is a chemical element. It is a chemical element. Symbol is C. Symbol is C. Now, in this topic, the question is rises. In this topic, the question is rises, that is why the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds. The question arises why the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds. Or reason for carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds. Or special properties of carbon atom or organic compounds. It is questions. But question is different, but answer is same. So the raises question: why the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds? Why the carbon atom reason for exhibit large number of organic compounds and the special properties of carbon atom or organic compounds. Now we have so many elements present in periodic table. The carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds compared with other elements. The carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds compared with other elements. For the study about carbon atom, the main reason the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds, the carbon atom have special properties. The properties is tetravalency, catenation, tendency to form multiple bonds. and size and electronegative of carbon atom and isomerism. It is special properties of carbon atom. So the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds. Only the carbon atom have special properties. Then the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds. You observed one by one about special properties of carbon atom. Special properties of carbon atom. The first property tetravalency. Atomic number of carbon. The carbon atomic number 6. Electronic configuration of carbon atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2p2. The electrons filled in orbitals one is two, 2s2, 2p2. The ground state is ground state. Electrons filled in orbitals. When the energy is supplied to carbon atom, the energy is supplied to carbon atom. The outermost electron configuration, the electron present in outermost electron configuration, that electrons, one electron jump from one orbital to another orbital. When you supply energy to carbon atom, the carbon atom is in outermost electrons, one orbital means 2s2, but a 2s2 orbital, then that electron jump to p orbital. It is called excited state. See here, excited state. To S1, to PX1, to PY1, to PZ1. It is excited state. Excited state means one electron jump from one orbital to another orbital is called excited state. So now the carbon atom after excited state, the carbon atom is have 4 unpaired electrons. 4 unpaired electrons. Unpaired electrons. 4 unpaired electrons. 4 unpaired electrons. these four unpaired electrons to form covalent bond. To form covalent bond. The electrons, four unpaired electron to share, then form covalent bonds. Four unpaired electrons to participate sharing of electrons, then to form covalent bond. How many covalent bonds? Four covalent bonds are formed. Four covalent bonds are formed. Means tetra means four. Tetra means four. Valency. Four valency. The carbon atom have four valency. So four covalent bonds are formed after excited state. The carbon atoms have four unpaired electrons. It is the structure of after sharing of electron, the four unpaired electrons share to hydrogen atom, individual hydrogen atoms. Individual hydrogen. Hydrogen atom electron configuration is 1. So, one electron present in hydrogen atom and four unpaired electrons of carbon atom. Both are sharing to form covalent bond. See here. That is two p x1, 2p y1, 2p z1. Four unpaired electrons, and these four unpaired electrons to share individual hydrogen atom of electron. It's form four covalent bonds. Four covalent bonds. So the carbon atom have four covalent bonds. It is tetravalency. The structure is four sigma bonds and sp3 hybridization. Octet rule is also completed. Means octet rule means 8 electrons present in molecule. 8 electrons are complete. So octet rule is completed. It is tetrahedral. The structure is tetrahedral. In plane, it is plane. Two bonds are plane. In plane, remaining two bonds are out of the plane. Out of the plane. Out of the plane. It is above of the plane. This bond is above of the plane. This bond is below of the plane. Below of the plane. Below of the plane and above of the plane. It is in plane. In plane. See here, but it is plane. In plane, it is in plane. Two bonds are in plane, and one bond is below of the plane, and it is above of the plane. It is plane. In plane. It is in plane, and it is one bond is above of the plane, one bond is below of the plane, one bond is above of the plane. It is tetrahedral. It is tetrahedral. The structure is, the geometry is tetrahedral. So it is first, the property of carbon atom is tetravalence. Tetra means 4. The carbon atom is have 4 unpaired electrons, that is form 4 covalent bonds. It is tetravalence. It is one of the special property of carbon atom. The next property is catenation. Catenation. The catenation means self-linkage. How can define catenation? The catenation is self-linkage atom of elements. The catenation defined as catenation self linkage of atom of an elements. Atom of an elements to form chain and branched and rings. So self-linkage. The catenation mean self-linkage of atom and atom of an element to form chain, branch and rings. That is, the carbon atom. You take carbon atom. Carbon atom is self-linkage. The same elements. The carbon atom in self-linkage to form branch and chain and rings. See here, it is chain. It is also special property of carbon atom. Chain and branched. It is branched. is branched, and rings. Rings, chain and branch, rings. Carbon, it is rings. Carbon and carbon, carbon, carbon. Here also carbon and carbon. So the catenation means self-linkage of atoms and element. So self-linkage of carbon and carbon, carbon it is self-linkage. It is chains, branch and rings. So the self-linkage is not only carbon atom, some elements, some atom of elements also exhibit self-linkage, that is silicon and sulfur and boron also self-linkage. The carbon atom, it is to form large number of organic compounds, it is naturally the organic compounds is formed naturally. The carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds in naturally. That is biomolecules. The carbon atom exhibits large number of organic compounds. It is naturally biomolecules, that is DNA, RNA and carbohydrates and polymers. It is natural organic compounds. To form large number of organic compounds, it is naturally. So biomolecules, DNA, RNA, carbohydrates, sugar, fructose, maltose, like polymers in natural polymers. So catenation in carbon family. Catenation in carbon family. In carbon family or fourth group, the carbon element present in fourth group in periodic table. Catenation in carbon family. The carbon atom, silicon element, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. It is carbon family. So observed here, in periodic table groups, the fourth group, it is fourth group, top to bottom size is from top to bottom, size is increases. It is the increases. Size is increases, and it is the first reason. It is first reason for the to form the reason reason for large number of organic compounds is first reason. The carbon atom, the order of catenation carbon and silicon, germanium and tin, lead. It is the order. So according to order, it is more catenation property. The carbon is have more catenation property and other elements. So according to this order means main reason, the carbon atom is more catenation property, that is main two reasons is there, that is the size, the size is very less compared with the other elements. So top to bottom in periodic table, top to bottom size is increases, it is one of the reason. And the second reason is the covalency, top to bottom the covalence is decreases, covalence bond property, covalence is decreases from top to bottom. Covalency is decreases. So these main two reasons, the carbon atom is exhibit the more catenation property. It is the more catenation property. Catenation in carbon family. The carbon atom is more catenation, that is main reason is the size of carbon atom very less compared with the other elements in fourth group. So top to bottom in periodic table, top to bottom atomic size is increases, it is one of the reason. And top to bottom covalence is decreases, it is one of the reason. Main two reasons, the carbon atom is having more catenation property. Then next property is tendency to multiple bond. The carbon atom tendency to multiple bonds. Tendency to multiple bonds. The carbon atom is to form, the carbon atom to form multiple bonds in at a time. That is single bonds, double bonds and triple bonds. Single bonds, double bonds and triple bonds in at a time. Tendency to carbon atom. It is one of the special property. Next one, size and electronegativity of carbon atom. Size and electronegative of carbon atom. Carbon atom. So size and negativity means it is moderate in fourth group in periodic table. The carbon atom is size and electronegativity is more moderate. So it is one of the factor. The carbon is stability in compound. The organic compound, the main factor is the organic compounds is stability. Is its main factor is the carbon atom is have size and electronegativity is moderate. The carbon atom is have moderate size and negativity is the moderate size and electronegativity is moderate. It is the main factor. It is main factor for stability of carbon atom. Stability of carbon atom in compound, in large number of organic compounds. The large number of organic compound is more stability. That is main factor. The carbon atom is size and electronegativity is moderate. So it is a more stability. Then next property is isomerism. Isomerism. In isomerism, the property is, in isomerism, the molecular formula is same, but physical properties and chemical properties are different. It is called isomerism. See here, it is butane, four carbon atom and 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 hydrogen atoms. 10 hydrogen atom, and the same molecular formula is structure is different and same molecular formula, but structure is different, and physical and chemical properties also different. It is isobutane. The molecular formula is 4 carbons and 10 hydrogen. So it is isobutane and normal butane, and butane and isobutane. So in this property, the molecular formula is same and structure is different. The physical property and chemical properties are different. It's called isomerism. So the main reason for the carbon atom exhibit large number of organic compounds, the main reason is the carbon atom is have special properties. That is one property tetravalency and catenation and tendency to multiple bonds and size and electronegativity of carbon atom, then isomerism. It is a special properties of carbon atom. So then the carbon atom have exhibit large number of organic compounds. So it's very very important in fundamental of organic chemistry. Thank you very much.